Okay, so what happened is I brought these new two turtle babies home to foster, and initially they were all fine, they weren't having any issue. But 3 days back, one of them shown some sign of trouble. He was sitting whole day, wasn't swimming, not getting into the water, not eating, and his eyes were all swollen up, and he literally couldn't see, and his eyes were all closed. So, what I came to realize, he was having vitamin A deficiency. So then I have to give him some treatment, the well-known ones, the carrot soap, and some eye drop. I was given by vet last time when I had the same problem with my other babies. So yeah, today is day 3, and after 2-3 days of treatment, he's recovering back, he's swimming back again, he's eating by himself, he's playing again. He's not recovered full, but yeah, hopefully he'll recover full by next few days. So this was 3 days back. When I saw him like this, I knew something is wrong and he's having some trouble. So I started putting him in the carrot soak. Basically, the carrot soak is just 75% of fresh carrot and 25% of water. You just blend it in, make some juice, and let him soak into this for 30 to 40 minutes, once or twice a day, depending on how he reacts and how much you need him to be there. So this is day 2, and clearly he is recovering, and he is really pissed. He just want to get rid of me and want to get back to the water, but his eyes is opening back. He's stronger, he's trying to fight me, and these are all good signs. So by hopefully next day he'll recover more. So he is back in the carrot soak again, and he's responding quite well, so I'm quite hopeful. Okay, so this is day 3, and he is getting back his strength. His eyes are opening back to its full, but it's not 100% recovered yet, I can see. So I'll just keep the treatment going for next few days and see how it responds, and hopefully it will get even better in next few days. Okay, so this is really good. He is eating by himself, and this is like a very good promising sign that yeah, he has recovered or he is recovering. Very good. Here he is playing again, back into the water. All good signs. Just I will still continue the treatment for next few days, but I think he is doing okay for now. Let's just pray for him, okay? So yeah, this is it. So just pray for him so he gets bigger and better soon, and let's hope for the best.